Hey there, Ryan Burr back at the Junior Golf Hub NB3 World Championship at Kashana, joined now by Riviera Lindholm from Toronto, Canada. Riv, great round today, 3 under par, right back in the mix. What was going well?
I was just making a lot more putts. I was hitting shots to like 6 feet, so it was much easier to make putts and stuff.
You have so many wins. You've had such an incredible summer, such an incredible fall. You have to go low tomorrow. Do you like that pressure?
Yeah, I do. It's nice to come from behind because you can just attack the whole time. You don't need to play defense at all, so it's fun.
Final thing, let's just talk a little bit about how far you've come this year. Is your best year so far?
Yeah, I mean, I've won quite a few times this year. I've had a lot of big wins, so yeah, it's a pretty good year.
All right. Well, you have a great chance to add one tomorrow. Riviera Lindholm. She'll be in the mix here at the NB3.